Hello, I'm Dr. Gunamani Ava, and my student Subham is with me. Actually, they made one model about the development of the urogenital system. So, Subham is going to represent from their group, and they made this model with that. In their group, they have 10 members. Yes, 10 members. So, he is going to present about the development of the urogenital system. So hope everybody you will understand and will be benefited after seeing his presentation. Okay, Shubham,
Yes, sir.
let's start.
Yes, sir.
Tier 9 group, and this one is the actually what they are going to make this model development of the urogenital system, different parts of the urogenital system. So this is actually picture of Langmans. In their urogenital system, they have written as a relationship of the intermediate mesoderm of the pronephric, mesonephric and metanephric system, indicating the 4th and 5th week of intraembryonic development. So here they given some color. So this yellow color will show the gut, orange pronephros, blue mesonephros, and brown color liver. And here will be the green color also in the model. Green color will be the duct. Definitely will be the duct related to the liver. Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Subham Sahu. I am from Dihu Medical College and Hospital, first year MBBS. Today I am going to explain the model which our group has made.
Okay.
So this is the model of the development of urogenital system.
Okay.
Here we have different parts. First, let's see what are the parts here. This part, which is different cell mediates, are known as the pronephros. This is the mesonephros. This is the metanephros.
Okay.
And this is the mesonephric duct. And this part here, where the nephric duct has entered, is known as the cloaca. This is the allantois, and this is the vitelline duct which connects to the placenta.
Okay.
Now, if we look forward,
this one is the vitelline duct, now?
Yes, sir,
yes.
vitelline duct.
Okay.
Now, if we look forward for the development of the urogenital system is done by the intermediate mesoderm. So, the entire part, pronephros, mesonephros, and metanephros are developed from the intermediate mesoderm.
Intermediate mesoderm.
Yes, sir, intermediate mesoderm. Now, if we look forward here, the pronephros, this is the first part which is developed, and this is rudimentary and non-functional actually.
Okay.
It is developed during the 4th week of the development gestation period. This part is in different cell mediates, and this usually degenerates during the 4th week only. Now after this formation, we have the formation of mesonephros. Now this mesonephros is really important because this mesonephros act as a kidney during the early fetal life, because because this metanephros is not functional, because this nephros is not formed during the early fetal life. So during the early fetal life, this mesonephros work as a kidney.
Okay.
So
only during the
early fetal life.
Only during the early fetal life. Okay.
So this work is the kidney. Now after this, during the 5th week, the metanephros is formed. So after the formation of metanephros, this work as a permanent kidney. Only after formation of metanephros.
Okay.
Now if we look here, this duct here, mesonephric duct, when this goes and enters here in the cloaca,
this part is cloaca, yes.
Yes, this cloaca. When this duct enters the cloaca, just above the entrance, it releases a bud which is known as a ureteric bud.
This one.
This
is
one,
it?
yes, sir. This is the ureteric bud.
Okay.
This is the ureteric bud. This ureteric bud enters into the metanephros. Now what happens actually, there is a communication between both the metanephros, blastema, and the ureteric bud. They both releases some hormones like the fibroblast growth factor 2, and there are many more hormones are there which are released by the both the bud and the blastema. So they communicate with each other and help in the development of both. So once this ureteric bud enters the metanephros, it dilates there. It dilates in the metanephros to form the early renal pelvis. Now after that, it differentiates into caudal and the cranial part. Now once the caudal and cranial part are distributed, it can form the future major calyces. This is the development, and then it can form into the ureteric bud usually goes for the formation of the collecting ducts, and this tube which enters which connects the ureteric bud to the this mesonephric duct this forms the ureter. This duct forms the ureter.
That means future this one will be the ureter.
Yes. This will be the future ureter, and this also degenerates. This also degenerates, and this will form the future kidney.
Okay. So this entire part will be developed from the
Intermediate mesoderm.
Intermediate mesoderm. And what you have drawn here?
Sir, this is actually liver.
Okay,
this
liver.
This is development of
okay,
liver.
entire yellow part will be the
Entire liver is gut. This is the gut.
gut.
This is the foregut. Because if we look forward, we know that the kidney descends down because the pronephros develops in the cervical region.
Okay.
And this mesonephros develop in the upper thoracic and upper lumbar region to the lumbar vertebrate 3. So, and this is also developed from the lumbar region only, to lower lumbar region. So they tend to descend down. So during the development, this part is near to kidney. So you can see here that this pronephros is near to kidney.
Okay. That means here you have said up to that part opening of this one is the bile duct, no? Yes, bile duct. So bile duct, but so this will be the liver, but actually liver. So up to that part, this will be the what? This will be foregut. From that part, this will be the midgut.
And the hindgut.
Midgut and hindgut are lies in that area.
And this allantois.
Okay, this one is allantois. Okay. So this is your model.
Yes, sir. This is
Okay. Okay. Hope everybody will understand whatever you have said,
Yes,
and I hope everybody will ask you question
yes, sir. It will
after with commenting whatever will be there after seeing the videos in the channel. Okay. Definitely you must be ready
Yes,
for
sir.
the.
I am always ready to answer any queries of the students.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shubham.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure. It was a pleasure, sir.